You know, it's pretty crazy, but in the past year, I have made over 186,000 US dollars in affiliate commissions, which on average is about $509 a day. And my biggest source of affiliate commissions came from tutorial videos that I posted to TikTok and to YouTube. And the way that my process works is pretty simple. People will watch a video I've made for a tutorial of an app or a website, and I'll have a link to it in a bio or description where they can click to go get the app. This link has a special tracking code that tracks when somebody clicks on the link and then registers or buys something. And if they do, I get paid a commission. I love this method for two reasons. One reason is because you can do it 100% for free, but the second reason is that there are super basic videos that you can make which are actually really popular and get lots of views and lots of affiliate clicks. So let me show you what I mean. But first, we need to actually go and get a high-paying affiliate link to promote with a video. Yes, we need to find apps and websites that we can make videos about that actually have affiliate links. Now, there are two methods that I personally use to do this. The first is to come to an affiliate network like Impact. Impact lets websites and apps set up affiliate programs through their software. If you're using Impact, then you will see them listed here along with how much you can earn with them. If you can't think about what you would like to promote, then browsing through here can give you some pretty good ideas. Because chances are, as you're browsing them, you'll probably see a bunch of websites and apps and go, oh, I actually really like that. For example, I know a lot of my viewers use the design app Kittle, an alternative to Canva, which pays out 20% commissions. And a lot of people will probably recognize Placeit, the print-on-demand mock-up generator. This pays up to $50 a sale. And a lot of viewers of this channel also use Veed, which is an AI-powered video generator app, which pays 30% commissions. So just by browsing here, you'll probably find a ton that you're interested in. And to join an affiliate program through Impact, just click the apply button and then fill out their survey. And that's it. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll get a custom affiliate link which you can access through your Impact profile. Now, I do have to be honest, because you have to submit an application to join an affiliate network, especially as a new affiliate, you're probably not going to be accepted into every one. So I recommend applying for as many as you can. However, there's also a way to drastically improve your chances of getting accepted, which I will talk about later on in this video. Plus, in addition to Impact, you could also register for another affiliate network that I use called PartnerStack. As I said, this is very similar to Impact, and there are lots of apps and websites that chances are you'll recognize in here, such as Jungle Scout, the Amazon research tool, which pays out 30% lifetime commissions, and Notion, the super trendy productivity app, which pays out 50% commissions for a whole year. Which is amazing, because I am not kidding when I say that Notion is super trendy right now. Views for Notion related videos are off the charts, and there are so many ways to make basic tutorials for it on TikTok and YouTube. Plus, you can also find more affiliate programs through the ClickBank affiliate network. But as I said, it's not just affiliate networks that I use to find these, there's another method too. Take for example Fiverr here. They host their affiliate program, which I'm a part of, privately through their own website. To find it, I actually came to Google and did a search for it, and boom, it was actually super easy to find it. I found a lot of big companies like this will choose not to use an affiliate network and instead choose to host it on their own website, such as Adobe's affiliate program for Premiere Pro and Photoshop. The tutorial videos for these apps are super popular and can get hundreds of thousands to millions of views. And, well, as I said, Adobe has their own privately hosted affiliate program, and it has a very generous 85% commission. So you can use Google to just find these sorts of affiliate programs as well. I recommend prioritizing websites and apps that you yourself use regularly and enjoy, because it'll make it simpler and easier to create videos for them. So let's actually go do that. Let's now make a basic tutorial video. And I am not exaggerating when I say it is basic. So this here is an example of a basic TikTok tutorial video for Canva. It's had about 200,000 views. Well, let's give it a watch and you can see for yourself just how basic it is. As I said, It's pretty simple, right? It's literally just someone holding up their phone, filming themselves doing a trick or a tutorial video on their computer. Plus, I also have first-hand experience in knowing how easy these are to film, because one of my most popular TikTok Canva tutorial videos was actually filmed like this. I literally just propped up my phone on a bunch of board games and filmed my laptop while I used it. It was really easy. But of course, to film yourself doing some tips or tricks, you need some to actually film. Now, for me, I pick apps and websites that I know already, so I can come up with ideas myself, but if you want some extra help for brainstorming, you can literally do what I did here and ask ChatGPT. You can then cross-reference these tips with whatever video platform you're going to use. And pick one that ChatGPT gave you that nobody else has made a good video on yet. So now you just need to edit and create your simple video. And you can use pretty much any video editing software you like for this, but if you need a free one, CapCut is perfect for it. Create a video in mobile format and add in your clips. Then come on over to 11labs.io, which is a free AI voice generator. Make an account and then type out the instructions on how to complete the tip or trick that you teach in your video and generate an AI voice. Or alternatively, if you want to use your voice, that's absolutely fine. You can just talk into your phone and use that as a free microphone. Either way, add the voiceover into CapCut and add it to each of your clips. And then, once you finish editing your video, you can then use CapCut's AI to automatically generate subtitles for it, which saves a lot of time. So, let's now create our free TikTok account. And we're going to be doing a special trick so that we can make money even with a brand new TikTok account. So go ahead and register for a new TikTok account. And once you've done that, we are going to switch over to a business account. You see, on TikTok, there are two types of accounts. You have personal accounts and you have business accounts. With a personal account, you need to have at least 1,000 followers to post a link in your bio. But with a business account, you can have 0 followers and you are allowed to post a link into your bio. So we're gonna take advantage of that. And it's easy. Inside of your settings, come and select to switch to a business account. And now, inside of your profile, you'll be able to add an affiliate link. But before we do that, we need to quickly create an affiliate link page. And we will create our affiliate link page for free with Linktree. So come on over to Linktree and sign up for a free account. Pick a color aesthetic that you like for it, and then add in your affiliate links that you plan to promote and customize your Linktree layout. And then once you have it looking the way that you like, you can now come and copy the URL of your Linktree and then paste it into your TikTok bio. And now, every time that somebody clicks on that link in your bio, they'll be taken to your Linktree page where they can access all of your affiliate links. And as you keep creating more and more tutorial videos on your TikTok for more and more apps, you can just keep adding them into your Linktree. That way you can earn commissions from multiple affiliate programs just using that one URL link in your bio. All right, so now let's get free traffic to our affiliate links and basic videos. And to do that, just come on into your new TikTok account and upload that basic video. And while you do, you can add a free song from TikTok's library to it. Now you might be thinking, okay, Sarah, how do I actually get TikTok to pay attention to my video and actually give me free traffic? Well, let me show you something. So this here is one of my most popular tutorial videos, right? If you click on the description of it, you will see that I turned the content of my video into a written summary. This helped the TikTok algorithm get data on what my video was about so that it could actually put it in front of the right viewers that like to watch very similar videos. And now, thanks to that, it's been one of my most successful videos. So there are 2 ways that you can optimize your video by creating these written summaries. The first way is to just spend the time to write it yourself. But if you'd rather not do that, then you could just come and type your script that you wrote out for 11labs.io into ChatGPT and let the AI bot write your summary description for you. Either way, it is your choice. So let's now get accepted into even more high profit affiliate programs. Yes, remember how earlier back in the video I recommended applying for lots of different affiliate programs and networks like Impact and PartnerStack? Well, that is because, understandably, a lot of affiliate programs will not accept affiliates that don't have any following yet. However, once you have gone ahead and created a bunch of tutorial videos and you have built up a bunch of followers, you can circle back, and now chances are if you reapply to those affiliate programs, they will see that you have an actual social profile and they will accept you. And now you can grow and scale your affiliate earnings even more. So then, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn even more about creating online income streams that earn money, be sure to watch one of my next videos here on screen. I'll see you over in the next video.